What if the fuel powering our cars, planes, and entire modern civilization was actually made from ancient life buried beneath the oceans millions of years ago? This is the incredible story of how oil was created. Petroleum formation is one of the most important geological processes in Earth's history. Today, petroleum powers the modern world, but its origins go back hundreds of millions of years. And surprisingly, oil was not mainly created from dinosaurs. The real story is far more fascinating. Millions of years ago, Earth's oceans were filled with microscopic organisms, plankton, algae, tiny marine creatures. When these organisms died, their remains slowly sank to the bottom of ancient seas. Over time, layer after layer of mud, sand, sediment buried the organic material deep underground. As millions of years passed, something incredible happened. Extreme heat and pressure inside the Earth slowly transformed those buried remains into a substance called kerogen. Then eventually, crude oil, natural gas, began to form. In simple words, oil is basically ancient organic matter, compressed for millions of years beneath the Earth. That means the gasoline we use today contains energy from prehistoric oceans and ancient sunlight trapped long before humans even existed. One reason the Middle East became so rich in oil is because it was once covered by warm, shallow seas filled with marine life. This is why countries like Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, Kuwait contain some of the largest oil reserves on Earth. Interestingly, humans discovered natural oil long before modern technology existed. Ancient civilizations in Iraq, Iran used surface oil for medicine, waterproofing, fire, thousands of years ago. However, the modern oil industry officially began in 1859. In Pennsylvania, Edwin Drake drilled the first successful commercial oil well. That moment changed human history forever. As oil formed underground, it slowly moved through porous rocks until it became trapped beneath hard, impermeable rock layers. These underground traps became oil reservoirs. Today, companies drill kilometers deep into the earth, and even beneath the ocean floor to reach these hidden reserves. And despite what many people believe, most oil did not come from dinosaurs. The majority came from microscopic marine organisms. Oil became one of the most powerful resources in history because it contains enormous amounts of energy. It powers cars, airplanes, factories, ships, electricity, plastics, chemicals. Modern civilization depends heavily on petroleum. But there is a problem. Oil takes millions of years to form, while humans consume it extremely quickly. That makes petroleum a non-renewable resource. Scientists also warn that burning fossil fuels contributes heavily to climate change and rising global temperatures. Yet even today, oil remains one of the most valuable resources on Earth.
And perhaps the craziest fact of all is this. Every time you fill a car with gasoline, you are using energy created from ancient oceans and microscopic life that existed hundreds of millions of years ago. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fascinating mysteries, science, and hidden truths about our world.